My name's Bazza and this is MS Welding TV. First of all, I want to talk about the ColdArc process from EWM. It's a process that not many people speak about, and going through my computer just the other day, I noticed some footage that I took where we welded some 0.9mm stainless steel to 0.9mm stainless steel with the ColdArc process from EWM. At that particular time, ColdArc was only available on the Alpha Q. That's all changed now. It's now also available on the brand new Titan, which I can't wait to get my hands on that and really put it through its paces. That's going to be coming up shortly as well. But what I wanted to show you is the immaculate welding results that you can get with the new welding technology from EWM, and I'm sure there's other people that have got great welding technology too, but this particular instance we used EWM Alpha Q 551, the ColdArc process, and we built a linear machine, which I'll show you some footage of that as well, in here, in-house at the MS Welding workshops, with some motion control built in, and we set all the parameters into that via the laptop and the Alpha Q from EWM, and basically we achieved some amazing welding results. Very, very low voltage, low amperage, really minimized distortion, minimalistic spatter, all achieved from the EWM ColdArc process, and all the welding procedures were done and passed off here at MS Welding. So watch the footage, let me know what you think about it, and there's going to be loads and loads more videos coming your way shortly on MS Welding TV.